Hey everybody, Chef Tovia here with Cooking with Tovia. I'm going to be doing a recipe for today for a new series I'm thinking about starting for Throw It Together Thursday. I'm going to be throwing together a cream of chicken soup in my electric pressure cooker that I got from GeekChef. Here are the ingredients you'll need for today. Don't forget to follow me on social media. You'll find all the information in the description box below. I want to give a huge shout out to GeekChef because they sent me this electric pressure cooker. And this bad boy is everything. I have been reading up on it and I am so excited to try it for the first time. Thank you so much, GeekChef. Once again, thank you so much. It came packaged in a beautiful box. The packaging was excellent. And this is an 11-in-1 multi-functional pressure cooker. It's a pressure cooker, rice cooker, slow cooker, soup cooker, saucepan, steamer, yogurt maker, pressure canner, sous vide cooker, simmer, and insulation warmer. And it also comes with a glass lid, which I love that. It comes with a glass lid, and this is the actual machine. This is the regular lid, and it has a stainless steel insert, which I love. It comes with a steaming rack, a ladle, a rice spoon, which you see here, and a rice measuring cup, as well as an instruction manual and a recipe booklet, and the lid. So we're going to do a demonstration today. We're going to go ahead and start this recipe. So I'm going to put the machine on saute, so I'm going to hit the saute function. And then I'm going to hit the time button, and then I'm going to change it to 3 minutes. So we're going to put some oil in the bottom of my pot here. And I'm going to go ahead and add my chopped veggies. This is my onions, carrots, celery. So this has been going for a couple of minutes, and I'm going to give this a stir. And then I'm going to add my chicken breast. I just cut it into large pieces. Then I'm going to add the herbs and spices. And I have here some chopped garlic. So the machine just beeps. So after 3 minutes, the machine will turn off automatically. So I'm going to hit the soup button and then the timer button after I hit the soup button. So I hit the soup, the timer, and then I'm going to do it for 25 minutes. So it blinks, it's indicating that the machine is adjusting to the function. And then I'm going to add my water. Now if you don't want to use bouillon for this, you can use all chicken broth or chicken stock. But I have here some chicken base. So I'm going to stir everything around. There's a little indicator here on the side that lets you know which way to put the lid on. You just line it up right here with this little drip valve. Okay, so we locked it. Make sure your pressure valve is closed the opposite way. So after 25 minutes, the machine is going to beep, but the machine has to build pressure first. So it has to heat up, the pressure will build, and then the timer will begin. Alright, just want to show you guys the machine. It didn't take too long to build pressure. It was pretty quick. And we're at 19 minutes. So we'll be back when the machine finishes. Okay, so the timer went off, so I'm going to hit the pressure release valve, which is right. Okay, so all the pressure is released. So I'm going to go ahead and take the top off. It smells really amazing in here. So I'm going to fish around for the chicken and see how tender it is. And it seems pretty tender. So I'm going to shred the chicken. Yeah, the chicken is so tender it's actually just falling apart. So you know what? Since it's just falling apart that easy, I'm just going to go through and just kind of shake the chicken apart. Because it's really just shredding. So I'm just adding some salt and pepper to taste, and I'm using some sea salt. And I got all the chicken shredded up, so I'm going to give this a mix around. And then what I'm going to do is turn it back on to saute. Oops. I'm going to hit the cancel warm because it's on warm. So I'm going to hit the saute function. I'm going to hit the timer button, and then I'm going to go down to 3 minutes. We'll do it for 5 minutes. So I'm going to add here some heavy cream and some milk. And I'm going to give this a stir around. And I have here some cornstarch and water. I'm just mixing it together. Take the lid off. And this is the cornstarch and water. I'm going to add it. I'm going to stir it around. Okay, so I'm going to let this go for 5 more minutes and then it'll be ready. Okay, so I let it cook for about another few minutes just to allow it to get as thick as I want it to. And look at this, nice and thick, beautiful, gluten-free cream of chicken. And I have a rice pilaf that I made. This is a scallion rice pilaf that I made a couple of nights ago. So I'm going to stir my cream of chicken on top of my rice pilaf. It smells amazing. It didn't take very long. I had everything done in roughly about 40 minutes total. Very simple, very quick meal to prepare, especially during the winter time. Okay, so here it is, the cream of chicken, and I served it with cornbread. So I'm going to give this a taste, and it's nice and creamy. And it's nice and piping hot. Wow. Absolutely delicious. This is better than store-bought. Wow. Please, guys, try this recipe. The machine worked amazing for this recipe. I'm absolutely happy with it. I'm going to be bringing you guys some more electric pressure cooker recipes. Please add this video to playlist. Please give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you have any. Don't forget to check out my previous videos. And if you're interested in learning more about the Geek Chef, just check the description box, and I have an Amazon influencer link, and you'll be able to find more information about the Geek Chef. Thank you all so much for watching. Please remember to live and be well. Let's do what we can to come together to love one another.